Hey, what's going on? Hey, Leon Thomas here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly 5 reasons why thousands of people are actually getting a life insurance license, and if you're an entrepreneur, why you should highly consider getting a life insurance license, especially if you are on the fence about which direction you should go as far as your next career path. Maybe you're undecided on what's going to work out for you, what's the best option, what's going to get you to the 10K a month, to 20K a month, income range fast, right? How can you fast track your success? Jump the chasm, basically, without all of the games, gimmicks, and things like that. So you can segue right into creating that 6-figure income as an entrepreneur. So for those of you who do not know, my name is Leon Thomas. I'm an entrepreneur out of Northern California, and I've been an entrepreneur since 2012, full-time since 2017. And I've had a lot of success in a lot of different things, made a little bit of money here, a little bit of money there, but nothing compared to the amount of money that I've made prior to actually, or once I started joining once I got into the life insurance industry. And so if you are, looking for an opportunity, a career path where you can actually make a lot of money and you want to shrink time, you want to compress that time so that you can actually get into that 10K to 20K a month range like fast, not the 3 to 5 year deal. But if you want to do that, then this video is for you. I'm explaining to you exactly why people are actually getting licensed now. I have a lot of friends, a lot of people online that came from a lot of different industries. They're getting licensed now in the life insurance industry, and they're writing a lot of policies, a lot of premium, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why, right? So I've come from network marketing, MLM, so I've done a lot of that. No longer doing that, still support the industry, however. But I'm going to explain exactly why the life insurance industry, what I believe, my unbiased yet biased opinion, why I believe this industry is one of the best moves you can make as far as getting your license, right? So let's go ahead and dive right into it, basically. So 5 reasons to get your license, right? 5 reasons to get your license. 5 reasons people you should get your license, right? 5 reasons to get licensed, okay? So, number one of the biggest mistakes that I made as an entrepreneur, and maybe some of you can attest to this if you've been an entrepreneur for a while, you're not where you want to be, is not really understanding the business model that I was getting into, meaning I didn't really understand what it was going to take in its entirety for me to actually get the results that I want in the time frame that I was expecting them in, right? That was one of the biggest mistakes that I made. I didn't have a business mind. A lot of us join entrepreneurship just because we know we want to leave our job, we want more income, and we get excited because we see people having success. However, we don't really recognize what it takes to have the success that they have. And I'm going to kind of dive into that right now, why one of the biggest mistakes that I made, and hopefully by the time you watch this video, you will not make the same mistakes that I made. You'll see exactly what I mean. So, 5 reasons why. Reason number 1 that people are getting licensed now in the life insurance industry is because if you are leading a 9 to 5, or maybe you're fired, or you're off, you're unemployment, or you're unemployed, and if you are leading a 9 to 5, most of us do not have a network, right? Most of us do not have a network when we leave our 9 to 5. Meaning, most of us have been living in a bubble, working a 9 to 5. We get up, we eat breakfast, we go to our jobs, and get my iPad open here. We go to our jobs. We work, and we have a very small network, a small number of people that we actually communicate with, that we know that we're close friends, that we do things with, a very small network. And so when you become an entrepreneur, in most business models, it requires for you to have a network, right? So when you see people actually having huge organizations, making a lot of money, it's directly predicated to the network that they have, right? And so most people don't really understand that without a huge network, like they say, the saying online is, in the marketing space, the business space, is your net worth is equal to your net worth. In other words, the amount of people you have in your circle, your network, is going to be directly predicated to the amount of money you can make, right? So the reason why the life insurance industry is one of the best industries is because you don't have to have a network, right? Meaning, I'm explaining what I mean by that. You don't have to have a network to have success, and I'll explain that right now. Number 2, no marketing skills. No marketing skills. This is reason number 2. No marketing skills needed. So, reason being is, in the life insurance space, if you're in the correct IMO, I should say, which is an independent marketing organization, you don't have to do any of the marketing. Now, in most business models like network marketing, affiliate marketing, in most business models, you have to know you have to have a network, right? Or you have to build one, which in most cases it takes longer time than people actually expect or want, right? Or willing to invest into to get the result. And so that's one of the biggest problems there. But you don't have to have any marketing skills, meaning you don't have to know how to run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. You don't have to do any of those things. It doesn't mean you can't learn it eventually, but out the gate you don't have to learn it. Why? Because we actually have lead vendors that we purchase our leads from. Very inexpensive leads. So we buy leads, we invest into our business, as business owners do, right? Businesses invest money to acquire customers or get in front of their desired customers, okay? So we invest into leads, we buy leads, and these are people that actually raise their hand, say they want life insurance. We dial leads, and then we go to their homes, and we write policies. And we get paid within 36 hours of writing those policies, okay? So you don't have to have any marketing skills, right? So you don't have to worry about running any advertising. You don't have to worry about branding yourself, not yet. Later on, if you want to do that, you can do it perfectly fine. But right now, as a new agent, you don't have to do those things. You don't have to worry about none of the tech stuff, really. You just need to be coachable. You need to buy leads. You need to dial leads. And then you need to go sit in homes, right? That's all that you need to do, right? So no marketing skills is necessary. Reason number 3, there is no 3 to 5 year success plan. What do I mean by that? Most business models will tell you that in order to have the success that you want, that most people want, it's going to take you 3 to 5 years to have that success, meaning to get the income level you desire, right? So it's going to be a lot of work, 3 to 5 years before you will literally see any return on the investment, meaning the sweat equity that you put into the business model, right? So you're not going to really make a lot of money early. You get paid off bonuses and quick start bonuses and things like that. But that stuff dies out, and you're back to building, and it's just you can't make enough money fast enough. Okay. So as far as this business model here goes, so most of these business models, they take you 3 to 5 years to success before you can expect the results. But also another thing you have to worry about is besides the 3 to 5 year success plan. The commissions aren't high enough, right? Meaning it's usually a low ticket, right? Kind of a little side note here. It's low ticket. Most of your biz opportunities out there online, they're low ticket, right? It's super high volume, which all businesses are volume driven, but it's a super high volume, but it's a low ticket, right? I mean, you can only make so much off of $60, $70 from someone joining your company, right? You can only make so much. So it's low ticket, and therefore you're splitting a lot of money with the company, okay? So that's one of the big reasons. So there is no 3 to 5 year success here. We have people actually joining. They're getting licensed in 30 days or less, and they're writing policies within about 45 to 60 days. And a lot of our agents are actually joining with zero balance in their bank account, and they're a month, 30, 15, 20 days later, they got $10, $15, $20,000 in their bank account, right? Consistently, right? This is not an ebb and flow where it's like $10,000 this month and then zero next month. No, they're consistently putting money into the bank account, making a lot of money, okay? So reason number 4 is zero tech skills, right? Excuse my writing, right? Zero tech skills. So you don't have to worry about a ton of technology. Obviously, most of us are computer literate. Getting on computers and things like that is about all the technology, the tech savvy that you need in this business, right? So you don't have to worry about, like sending out emails or learning how to write emails or like any of that advertising stuff. None of that stuff comes into play here, okay? You don't have to worry about it at all. Reason number 5, of course, which is the big thing here, is it's high ticket. High ticket commission, okay? Now the average policy that you write is going to pay you $750. Now in most cases, you'll probably see a check in or a deposit bank account, it's like $1,000 and $1,400. So the higher the premium, the higher the commission, right? So the reason why the life insurance industry is such a rewarding industry is because you get rewarded more for the time that you spend and you invest into the client, right? We're all customer acquisition based businesses, but you get paid more for the value that you bring to the hour, right? And so we have agents that are joining, and they're having $10,000, $20,000 months consistently. And these are people that have not sold life insurance before. They haven't been in entrepreneurship. They haven't been in sales at all. And they're following our simple system because we have free trainings, and we're literally showing people how to get in homes, how to dial. They buy leads, we teach them how to dial, and they're learning exactly how to sell in the home. Okay? And so these are your 5 reasons. I think I might have one more. I guess number 6, I'll give you an extra here. But it literally is the fastest, what I believe, path to 6 figures. Okay? It's the fastest path to 6 figures, right? Why? Because you get paid such high ticket commissions for the work that you do, right? So imagine going into a home, and even if you wrote one policy, you're more than likely going to make $1,000, $1,200 if you write 2. 17, 18, 2,800, 24, 2,800 bucks in a home. Now we have agents that are literally doing 7 to 10 appointments a day, 4 days out of the week, right? So imagine writing 15 to 20 policies or 15 to 30 policies, in a 4 or 5 day time frame throughout the week, and now you're talking $20,000, $30,000 into your bank account. This is why the life insurance is such an attractive industry, because of the income potential that you have, and it's not hard. Anyone can literally do this. All you have to do is be coachable, you learn, and you implement what you learn, you take action, right? So with that being said, I hope you guys got a ton of value from this video. These are the 5 reasons why people are actually getting their license and getting into a quality IMO that's paying them at least 100%, right? So if you are actually, if you watch this video, I want to say thank you. But if you're actually been on the fence or you're looking for something that you can actually sink your teeth in, something that you can plant your flag in the sand, where you can actually commit and run, we have a private group, of course. I want to invite you to that group. It's Insurance Agent Academy. And basically what you can do is you can click on the link in the description of this video. You can request access. It's going to ask you a few questions, go over some details, and you can request access to the group. And basically we're going to share with you everything life insurance. We're showing you exactly how to get your life insurance exam for free. And then, of course, you can prepare yourself to take the exam, the state exam, to get your license, which is like a couple $100, right? And the good thing is in most states, you only have to pass with like a 60%, right? I literally only passed with a 67%. I barely passed the exam, right? So with that being said, I hope you got a ton of value from this video. Like I said, if you want to know more about how you get your license for free, how you can join the Insurance Agent Academy, click on the link in the description of this video, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care. God bless you.